Hello, welcome back. This is another exercise related to continued on our Redux. Suppose now our store not only sell pizza, we also sell chicken. How would we add into our code? Previously, let's take a real example. Okay, in our pizza store, previously we only sell what? We only sell pizza. So the pizza, the state only hold the pizzas, a number of pizza, right? The store. And we have order, which you tell what kind of pizza we want to order, how many. It's going to have a chef, which make a pizza based on our order. So now we will sell fried chicken too, okay? So you're going to our store will not only hold the number of pizza, we will also hold the number of chicken. And we'll also have a chicken order, okay, which is a type of action, chicken order. Tell what kind of chicken and how many chicken to be ordered. We also have another chef to only make the chicken. So we'll make chicken based on our order. So how to make a change in our code? Okay, how to make a change in our code? Here we are going to go back to the code first, then we will come here. Okay, so first, as we do in our constants, okay, we will export our action type. What's the action type? We'll have chicken order. chicken, chicken. We'll have order. And the chicken order will equal to chicken order. This one, right? And we'll also have what's thing? Const chicken restock. Okay, and we'll have what's thing? Chicken restock, the string represent what kind of action I want to do. And then we are going to, because this one is for pizza action, then we will have another. Oh my goodness, okay, I forgot to do something. I'll cast. Okay, I'll copy, then I have to redo because I need to copy paste. I want to make a copy of this one, which is rename to what? 3 restock, pizza restock. Okay, and then this file gonna have everything related to chicken. Okay, then sorry, I have to write it again because if I paste it's going to be the other one. Const chicken chicken order equals this one. Export const chicken restock, okay, equals this one. Control C, Control V. Okay, this one is this one. See this one. Okay, then I'm going to continue because this one is only for pizza action. Then we have to have a chicken action. So new file, there's a chicken and action.ts. Okay, and here we'll do as usual. So first thing is what? Create actions, the function, right? I will do export. Okay, export const create order chicken action, and this one is a function which will generate an object for the action type. Type is what? Chicken order. Okay, this is the first one. The second one will do stock, not export as default. Const create restock chicken action. And this action will accept a quantity as we it's QUANTITY, the same as the pizza. You can give an quantity, and in this case we'll have a type. Type is what? Chicken restock. And we also will have a payload. Payload is what? Quantity. Okay, we'll tell how many chicken we want to restock. So this is the action here. Then we will also have a reducer as our pizza for chicken. So here we'll have another one which is a chicken reducer.ts. And chicken reducer first is what thing? Reducer equals what? Reducer equals function. The function will ask two things. One is state, one is action. So the state here will give a what thing? Will give an initial state, and initial initial state. Okay, and so we'll have an initial state here. Initial state will do number of chicken is 20. Okay, this is the default state. Then action, let's see our action. Action is a type of chicken. This one potentially, optionally have a type is a quantity. So here we have to have a type, which is, I will put it before it, okay. Type, action type, okay. Action type will have what thing? Will have a type is a string, and also have a payload. Payload is optional. Optional will have a number, which is represent a quantity, okay. So this is our action. So here I'm going to have an action type. Then inside reducer, we have to have a switch statement, okay. We have to switch by what? Switch by action.type, okay. And when a case is what? When a case is chicken order, okay. Then I'm going to just reduce on the state, okay. First spread state, and then number of chicken is equals current state dot number of chicken minus 1. We'll do as the logic is very simple, same as before as a pizza, okay. And we have a chicken restock, okay. Chicken restock going to return what? Return a state, and the number of chicken is equals state dot number of chicken plus action dot payload. I'll use must give, okay. Then we have default case is return what? Return state, okay. If you give me something I don't provide format is what? The Control Shift F, this one F, okay. This one F, okay. Shift Alt F, okay. So now I have my reducer finished, okay. So this is based on different type of action, I will respond differently. This is my reducer, and after I'm doing this one, I'm going to export default reducer, okay. So then what should I do? I have my reducer, I have my action done. Then how can I make sure my store can handle both pizza and chicken? Then we have to use a method called the combinedReducer, okay. Let's take a look at. In Redux, the combinedReducers is a utility function help make different pieces of application by splitting state into multiple reducers. So we have two reducers. Each reducer is responsible for managing a specific part of the state. Using a combinedReducer, you can combine this smaller reducer into a single root reducer, make it easier to manage complex state in a large application, like exactly what we do, okay? So we have a pizza reducer, we have chicken reducer. So when we combine reducer, this key you decide by yourself. This key and this key decide by yourself. And the value is a reducer itself. And then when we create a store, you give the combined reducer. So after we configure like this way, eventually our state maintained by this store going to be like a loose way. This pizza, let me use the highlight here, okay? Yeah, can take a look at this pizza will be equal to this pizza. And this number of pizza, this number of pizza is the initial state inside the reducer, okay? And this chicken is equal to this chicken, okay? And this number of chicken is in the reducer, which means this part is where? This part and this part is maintained by each of your reducer, which is inside discard, which is inside our reducer, which is here. Is this initial state in the pizza and the initial state in your chicken. Okay, now let's go to our store. store here, I remove this command. Okay, I remove this comment. Const combined reducers equals this function is inside the Redux, and then you accept an object pizza, and you give what's reducer. I have to rename this one to be pizza reducer, okay, because I'm using default. If I use a reducer, which one? Okay, so I want to rename to be pizza reducer. Okay, so it's going to be pizza reducer, and then I'm going to have a import, which is what's the chicken reducer from chicken reducer. Okay, then here you can have a chicken, and here we'll have a chicken reducer. Okay, then inside the store I will use this combined reducer. That's how we combine the reducer together. Okay, and inside our index now we can do test. So not only I will just comment some of them. Okay, I'll just comment these two, just pizza. I just order one and restock one. Then I will do store.dispatch, and this one will create chicken. I-C-K-E-N, chicken order action. Okay, and it has to import. So how to import? Import create chicken order chicken action. I will also import another one. Okay, restock. Okay, so here order chicken, not a chicken order. That's why it's wrong. Okay, chicken order. Then I will store dot dispatch create restock chicken action. Here you give a quantity. I give 7. Okay, and let me order the chicken one more time. Okay, just for demo purpose, and then we can do a test. By the way, I made some changes. Okay, so the first change I made is I remove the TypeScript from here. Instead, I install the globally. Okay, after I install globally, I can directly use the TSC now. Okay, I can use TSC, and because I can use TSC now after install globally, so I made a change in the here. Instead of npx TSC, I use TSC directly. Okay, so if you install globally of the TypeScript, then you can use TSC directly instead of npx TSC. And the clear is clear, not a CLS. Okay, I realized. I haven't used MacBook for probably at least 1 year, so I'm not familiar with the command. Okay, anyway, let's do a test. Okay, so first thing is npm run build. Okay, to run tsc. Okay, then clear. Then I use npm start. We'll execute the index.js inside dist. So now let's take a look at. First, we have initial state, and initial state here always is a single object. The state, entire state maintained by store is a single object. But here we maintain 2 reducer. One is a pizza, okay, one is chicken. And this pizza is because we define here is pizza. And this reducer here, this is a state maintained by the pizza reducer. Okay, in my pizza reducer, this is state. That's why it's in the pizza, it's this one. Okay, chicken is because in our store here I have chicken. And why state is this one? Because the chicken is a chicken reducer, right? Chicken reducer maintain this state, number of chicken. That's why. Okay, then we do what? We do a dispatch order pizza. That's why our pizza -1, but our chicken is not changed. Then I restock a pizza to be 2. 9 plus 2 is 11, and our chicken remains not changed. And then we order chicken. Okay, when we order chicken, our pizza remains no change. Okay, but our chicken -1. And then we restock the chicken. Restock chicken 7. Now pizza no change. Our chicken is 19 plus 7, 26. Then I order chicken again. Then the pizza no change and chicken -1. Okay. So this is if we want to maintain chicken. Okay, if you add more, different like a chicken, pizza, ice cream, or cake, you can just add a cake for action, a cake for reducer, then change your store, have a cake, something like that. Okay. So that's it for this video, and I will see you next video to talk about complicated object. Okay, see you next time. Bye bye.